Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce chicken, updated. Begin by prepping ingredients and trimming chicken into bite-sized pieces, then measure milk and butter for the sauce. Sauté onions and garlic in butter until soft, add flour to form a roux, and gradually whisk in milk to avoid lumps. Season with salt and pepper, fold in cooked chicken, and simmer until the sauce thickens and flavors meld. Start by seasoning chicken well and heating a skillet over medium-high heat with a little oil. Sear the chicken in batches to develop color, then remove and set aside to prevent overcooking. Use the same pan to build flavor for the sauce by sautéing aromatics in the fond left behind. Return the chicken to the sauce late so it finishes cooking gently and stays tender and juicy throughout. Make the white sauce by melting butter and whisking in flour to create a blonde roux that will thicken the sauce. Pour in milk slowly while whisking continuously to keep the texture silky and lump-free. Simmer gently until the sauce coats a spoon, then season with salt, pepper, and optional herbs like thyme or parsley. Fold in the cooked chicken and let everything simmer just long enough to marry the flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.